Hey everyone, what's up? And for this video, I'm just gonna give you some other tools that are free that you can use on your Doodly projects. Okay, so I hope um, natutunan nyo na may nice opportunity for us freelancers on Fiverr, specifically on whiteboard and animated explainers. It doesn't have to be so complicated, and you know that hindi ka kailangan born na magaling, artist wise or something like that. This kind of skill, this kind of industry, you can definitely learn it just the way I explained it to you a while ago. Now, play around it, get some ideas from the other freelancers, check their portfolio, how are they doing it, continue watching YouTube. If you are going to use Doodly as your tool, I would highly suggest that you go to YouTube, tapos go to their YouTube account. There are so many tutorials which I wasn't able to cover on my 1 hour video with you, but definitely a must tool. And I promise you, just spend 2 to 3 hours of your time. It's not even half day that you will do it. You can learn a lot from it. Now, I am still learning it as I develop this program because it also excites me so much. And I showed my husband how I did it a while ago, and he was like, ang galing niya na, yung ganyan. Because after the video I created for you just a while ago, I created some more videos, um, and I played around with the software. Now, what I would like to, meron akong mga script like like that a while ago. Now, remember that on Doodly, you can also um, add your own image, right? You can add your own image. You can upload new images for your video here, diba? You can also upload your own music and your own audio and your own voiceover. Now, there are free websites that I'd like you to see as well so that you can get more images, more stock photos for your projects. Remember, when we say free royalty, royalty free stock photos, ibig sabihin pwede mo tong gamitin without being sued, without being taken down by YouTube or whatever that says that's not yours, that's mine, right? So when you download the videos and images and audio from these websites, you are safe. Okay, so number one, let's talk about the video muna, video and image. So number one is Pixabay. You can see here a lot of photos, a lot of illustrations. So let's say, for example, woman. Yan. So may mga illustration like that. Images. Oh, di ba? So you can definitely add these. Let's say for example, wala kang nakitang nagustuhan mo sa Doodly, or you want another one, you can use this. So that is some iStock photo right there. That is Pixabay. Okay, so there are categories: music, finance, emotions, food, drink, well, blah blah blah. So meron dyan. So just go ahead and play around with this. There's a horizontal orientation, vertical, size, color, you name it. Okay, so that, or let's say for example, food, if you are hired by a keto nutritionist or whatever, just put the keywords here. Okay, that's Pixabay. Another site that I'd like you to go to is the Pexels. Dito rin ako kumukuha ng mga stock photos for my campaigns and for my brand. So just go ahead and look here. Maraming mga magaganda rin na image dito that you can use. Yan. So photos, you can check definitely on the size, kung anong orientation, if you would like the square. Yan, okay? Another one is Unsplash. So check out these three websites where you can get free stock photos and videos. Now let's go to the audio naman. if you are going to do like a voiceover or video for your clients, here is where you can also get free stock photos, video sound effects, and video templates. This is called mixkit.co. So please go ahead and jot down those names and websites and play around with it. So there's sound effects, there's photos din naman, videos, music. Yeah. So for example, this one, music, hip hop, punk, ambient, and so game. Yeah. So papakinggan mo of course, syempre.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Okay. Mga elements, let's say music. Yan. So you can do this. You can definitely go here. Serene for meditation. Yan. Just click on download when you have decided to use that. Tapos meron din sila mga iba't ibang options. So for this Serene view, you can choose ambient, mysterious, or piano. Yan. Okay. So go ahead and play around these videos, save it somewhere para hindi nyo makalimutan kung saan kayo pwedeng kumuha ng mga stock photos, mga free videos, free sound effects, and free music. Okay? So I will see you on the next video.